YouTube continues to dominate online media with over 2.7 billion people worldwide using it monthly. That's nearly one-third of the planet. But here's the real kicker. Over 500 hours of content get uploaded every single minute. So, how do you stand out? The answer is, standing out takes strategy. Your dream viewers are already on YouTube. They're watching 70 billion shorts daily, spending more time than ever consuming content. Success comes from showing up properly with intention. Here are 10 secrets from creators who are actually winning on YouTube. Commit to going all in. The path to YouTube success requires dedication and consistency. YouTube is a long-term game, and it often takes over 12 months to see real traction, said Michelle Frola. I had my channel for a year with just a few video lessons. It was then that I decided to fully invest in my channel as a lead generation machine. I posted 5 shorts and 1 long-form video per week, offering value to my target audience. Look at proven content. Study what works instead of reinventing the wheel. Anna Tyree, whose English Like a Native channel has 1.1 million subscribers, knows this well. When I first started on YouTube, I felt I had to be original, creating completely unique content, but this resulted in very slow growth. Once I started doing my own versions of already popular content, my channel took off. Get the basics right. Focus on what moves the needle. Simon Alexander Ong, who grew to 130,000 subscribers in 12 months, shares his strategy. Obsess less about production quality and more about these 4 things: concept, attention, title, and thumbnail. Concept is whether your structure has been proven to work. Attention is whether the first 10 to 30 seconds hooks people in. Title is crucial in getting someone to click, and the thumbnail is about having a visual that jumps out. Stay organic. Growth hacks can backfire. Something to avoid when starting your channel is boosting your videos with YouTube to get you more subscribers. Boosting your videos does work. You literally get more subscribers, but that audience will be extremely broad and won't engage well with your content. Launch with multiple videos. Starting strong matters. Austin Armstrong, CEO of Syllabi with 600,000 subscribers, advocates for strategic launches. Launch with multiple videos at the same time that interlink. Whether it's a multiple-part series or topics that add value to one another, publish all 3 at the same time on a new channel. This immediately allows new users to binge content.